नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है स्टॉकल के इस नए एपिसोड में। As we are aware, research is investing 101. Doing the right research before infusing your hard-earned money is very crucial. So in this video, we will discuss the energy industry and how its future could possibly turn out to be ताकि आप एक informed decision ले सकें. So let's energize and set this in motion. For over 2 centuries, fossil fuels have been a primary source of energy. But humanity has seen several effects of global warming such as climate change and disastrous natural calamities in the past few years. This pushes us towards exploring renewable energy sources by making it the need of the hour. Not only that, but it also stops the growing population from getting into an inflating existential panic, which is altogether another major topic. With more people turning towards sustainable living, all thanks to Greta Thunberg, a growing number of countries and their enterprises are starting to realize the gravity of this situation. While nobody can precisely conclude what can be the exact future of the energy sector, we can surely foresee that a larger dependency shall shift towards renewable sources like solar and wind. So, what are the government and enterprises up to? Well, the US Energy Information Administration (EIA) has projected that the contribution of renewable sources in electricity generation will double by 2050. On the other hand, the Global Financial Services Corporation (ING) reported that carbon emission is expected to reduce by 80% by 2040, as renewable sources of energy are expected to contribute 70% of the world's energy mix. Nevertheless, the projected journey will demand billions of dollars in cutting-edge technologies and incentives to enterprises. At present, carbon emission is the biggest worry for energy companies. With many countries committing to becoming carbon neutral in 2 decades, energy companies will be under pressure to reduce carbon emissions. To help enterprises meet this goal, hydrogen can be a game changer. It is a carbon-free source of energy that can potentially be used to power cars, air conditioning houses, etc. Even sectors like aviation and shipping that do not have an alternative for fossil fuels can benefit from hydrogen. And indeed, the battery technology will provide yet another way to produce energy without emitting carbon. So before we wrap up, here are some of the top names from the energy sector in the US stock market. Chevron Corp, ExxonMobil Corp, Holly Frontier Corp, Valvoline Inc., Marathon Petroleum Corp, Marathon Oil Corp, Devon Energy Corp, One Oak Inc., Targa Resources Corp, Texas Pacific Land Corp are some of the names. While you keep these stocks on your radar, don't forget to download the Stockle app from Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and be investment ready. Do let us know how you imagine the energy sector unfolding in the future in the comment section below. And as we discussed in the beginning, research your preferred company before investing. We will catch up again in the next video. Until then, take care and invest well.